Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to redeem an Uber gift card. We will also put links in the description below for similar food delivery apps for you to sign up in case if you're interested. To start, open the Uber Eats app. Once the app is open, you'll see several tabs at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Account. On this screen, you will see an option for Send a Gift. Tap on Send a Gift. At the upper part of this screen, a question appears asking, "Got a gift card?" Beside it is a Redeem option. Tap on Redeem. Now enter the PIN or gift code on the field provided. After entering, tap on the Add button. And now your gift card has been added to your wallet as an Uber Cash. You could use it for an Uber ride or Uber food delivery. That's how you redeem an Uber gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.